All right. Is the output question visible? Is the output question visible to all of you? Yes. Beta, output question is visible to everyone. All right. So this is the output question as per the board level, right? So let us start working upon it. I make the working notes here. Working notes means proper calculations, proper intermediate results, that how your output has come. You have to show all the calculations properly. This is what I expect in assignment and in the upcoming class test also. Now, initially, we start from the top level statements. We start from the top level statements. Every time the execution will start from the top level statements. Initially, A is 250. A is 250. B is 150. Convert A comma B. Now, first time I have called the convert function. Whenever function is called, you have to leave all the other statements and immediately you have to jump to the function definition and work upon that. अब यहां पे कन्वर्ट फंक्शन कॉल किया, ए और बी एज अ पैरामीटर दिए, एक्चुअल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, एक्चुअल पैरामीटर्स, positional arguments. Now this A value will go to X, B value will go to Y. When I call the function and I jump to the function definition, there I saw X was given default value, Y was given default value. Now, I have passed the arguments A and B, right? These passed values of A and B, they will overwrite the value of X and the value of Y. आपने कॉलिंग के टाइम जो आर्ग्यूमेंट पास किए वो वाली वैल्यू डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू को ओवरराइट करवा जाएगी. Up till here, am I clear with the concept to all of you? Immediately raise your thumb if I am totally audible and the concept is totally clear to all of you. All right. So X has become 250, Y has become 150. Right? Now we are here. Step by step चलोगे, बिल्कुल कंफ्यूजन नहीं होएगी. स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलते रहो बस. X equal to X plus Y. X equal to X plus Y. X is 250 plus 150. It has become equal to 400. It is now 400. Okay. Y equal to X minus Y. Y equal to X minus Y. Now here, X will take the net value, the final value. क्योंकि हमने यहां पर X को अपडेट किया, तो यहां पर जब X यूज करोगे तो अपडेटेड वैल्यू यूज होगी, that is 400 will be used here. Y will take the value 150. Okay, Y will here take value 150. So Y has become 250. X is 400, Y is 250 after performing these calculations. Now come to the third statement. Print X and Y. I am writing the answer over here. First answer is X is 400 and Y is 250. This is my first answer. Got it? Is the first answer clear to each and every child? 12th class? 12th class, first answer is thoroughly clear or not? Varun here. Sukhmani, Vanshika, is the first answer totally clear? All right. Now moving to the last statement, return x. X value has been returned. तो x की वैल्यू क्या थी? 400. 400 has been returned and it get stored here in a. एक वैल्यू फंक्शन से रिटर्न होके आई और आके इस वेरिएबल में स्टोर हो गई. नाउ द a वेरिएबल विल हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ x which was returned back by the function. Print a and b. So a will be print here 400 and b will take the same value, this one 150. This is the second answer. Now we come here at this statement which I have shaded in front of you. Now see, convert function has been called but only with one parameter, that is b. The value of b, which is 150, b is 150. Okay. Now this value of b 150 will go to this x. If one argument is there, it is assigned to the first parameter from this side. So x value has been overwritten by the value of b. So x becomes 150. Now see, what about this y? y के लिए तो मैंने यहां पर कोई वैल्यू पास ही नहीं की. So y will take the default value. y will become 30. y will become 30. Okay. y will become 30. Now this was the answer. Let me write the previous answer here first. 400 and 150. Now let us start again the calculation. X equal to x plus y. Now here x is 150, y is 30, so x becomes 180. X becomes 180. Next is y equal to x minus y. Y equal to x minus y. X is 180 and y is 30. Right? So y becomes 150. Y becomes 150. So come to this print statement and let us find this output. It is 150x and 180x and 150y. Am I clear up till here? Am I totally clear up till here, students? All right. Now come to this return statement. Return x. X was 180. 180 रिटर्न होके आया इधर और आके b में स्टोर हो गया. So come to this print statement. A will take the previous value which was here. B will take the new value which has been returned from function. So logically A will take the value 400, B will take value 180. B will take the value 180. Right? Now we come over here. Convert function again called third time, but this time the value passed is of A. Now raise your hand and tell me what value of A will be passed, and it will be passed to which variable. Raise your hand and tell me the answer. Answer will be told by only that child who has understood all the concept. What will be the value of A and to what variable it will be passed? Who will tell? Raise your hand. Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning.
सर ए की वैल्यू 400 होगी
Okay.
एंड एक्स को हो जाएगी वो वैल्यू।
Very right. Very good. It will go to X. So here X will become 400. Right? X will become 400. Y will become 30. Y will become 30. Clear? X equal to X plus Y. 400 plus 30, 430. So new X is 430. Then X minus Y, 430 minus 30, 400. So X will be print 430 and 30. 430, oh sorry, 400. 430 and 400. Okay. Return X. X is now 430. 430 was returned and get stored in A. Print A and B. A will be printed now 430 and B will take the value which was printed here, and that was 180. This is your complete answer. I hope the entire question is clear to each and every child. Mohit, Akriti, Sukhmani, Manreet, Sanvinder, Damanpreet, Vaibhav, Ruchika, Udit, Varun. Is the question clear to each and every child? Vaibhav, your thumb is not raised. Manreet and Sanvinder, thumbs are not raised. All right, let us see the output. Check the output. Totally clear? Now, this was the output question. Now, I would like to discuss one program with you. The program is, you have a list. I tell you the logic of the program. You have a list. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to create a function and pass the list as a parameter to the function, right? All the even location elements, all the elements which are lying at even location, they are to be transferred to list L1, and all the odd location elements are to be transferred to list L2. Okay? So the function name is transfer, and I pass the list L as a parameter. Let us create first of all two new lists. L1 empty list, L2 empty list. Whenever you are asked to transfer these elements into new list, you have to create the new list initially as empty list. अब यहां पे दो लिस्ट क्रिएट होंगी, इवन लोकेशन की अलग लिस्ट, ऑड लोकेशन की अलग लिस्ट. That is why I have taken two lists as empty list. Okay, now find out the length of original list. Original list is L. Whenever I will say original list, अपने आप समझ जाना कि मैं L पैरामीटर की बात कर रहा हूं. So what I have done, I have found the length of original list and I store the length in X variable. Right? For I in range X. Right? For I in range X. Am I clear up till here? Pratham, Gaurav, Vanshika, Tushar, am I clear up till here? Pratham Sharma, Anushka, Vidisha, Bhavneet, am I clear up till here? All right. Now, all the even location elements, location की बात हो रही है. If I, not L of I, don't write L of I. L of I का मतलब है element. I am talking of location, index or position, only I. Modulus 2 equal to 0. इंडेक्स को 2 से मॉडुलस करो. अगर वैल्यू 0 आ जाए तो वो इवन इंडेक्स है, इवन लोकेशन है. देन दैट एलिमेंट हैज टू बी एडेड in the L1 list. L1 dot append function and pass the parameter, the element there. Append function of the list is used to insert one element at a time. तो एक एक करके वो एलिमेंट जो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, दे विल गेट अपेंडेड टू दिस लिस्ट. Else, if this condition is wrong, that means element is at odd location, then that element is to be appended in the L2 list. Okay, come out of the loop, print a blank line, give the message new list L1, print the L1 list, then again give the blank line, print new list L2, print L2. Right? फंक्शन से बाहर आ जाइए, because my purpose is completely over. Create now in the main function, create your original list, because execution will start from here. I am creating the list. Now think logically. Index of the first element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. राइट? ये एलिमेंट्स हैं और जो मैंने अभी बोले वो इंडेक्स थे. प्रिंट ओरिजिनल लिस्ट, print L. Now call the function and pass your list as argument. Execution will start from here, then you will call the function. Okay, clear? Is the program totally clear to all of you? See, Original list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now all the even location, these are the even location 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. They have been passed to the new list L1, and all the odd location, they have been passed to the new list L2. They have been passed to the new list L2. Again, I'm saying I was focusing on index, right? Am I clear with this coding? In the theories paper, in the board examination and in the pre-board examination, you have to create this much program. In theory exam, we assume that list was created, function was called. Our work is just limited up till here. Okay? Am I clear? Any doubt? Any questions? Any doubt? Any questions?